Hello everyone, my name is Yuvarani. Today I'll be presenting Software Project Risk Management Analysis Honors Case Study MySejahtera app, National COVID-19 Tracking and Health Management Platform. This app played a central role in Malaysia's COVID-19 response, but like many large-scale digital projects, it faced significant risks. The MySejahtera app was launched during COVID 19 in the year 2020 by the Malaysian government as a national COVID 19 tracking and health monitoring platform. It allows the users to check in the location, submit health assessment, view test results, and later manage vaccination records. The app saw rapid adoption with over 38 million downloads. Despite its importance, the project faced several challenges, including technical performance issues, public mistrust issues over data privacy, and controversy over vendor arrangements. These issues exposed gaps in the project's risk planning and mitigation strategies. Based on my analysis, five key software related risks stood out. First one is the data privacy security. There were public concerns about how personal data was being stored and used. Second one is the system scalability risk. The app experienced lags and downtime during peak usage, especially during vaccine rollouts. Third one is the vendor transparency. The ownership and the contractual terms with third party vendors were not clear. Fourth one, change management. Frequent updates and unclear communication caused user confusion. And the last one is the user adoption, user trust and adoption. Usability issues and lack of transparency impacted user engagement and trust. These risks were not just technical, they affected public confidence and the overall effectiveness of this app. This is a comprehensive risk assessment for my Sejahtera app. I've evaluated six critical risks across four dimensions: likelihood, impact, detection difficulty, and timing within the project life cycle. The most critical risks emerge clearly from this analysis. Data privacy breach scores highest with likelihood for impact 5 and detection difficulty for occurring post installation when millions of users are already affected. User experience issues present the likelihood at 5 moderate impact but maximum detection difficulty of 5, typically surfacing during the conversion phase when users actually interact with the system. System scalability and public trust loss both show high likelihood and impact scores of 4 occurring during testing and conversion phases respectively. Interestingly, legal compliance issues start early in the startup phase but have moderate detectability, while vendor dependency risks develop throughout the development phase with consistent moderate scores across all dimensions. This assessment reveals that the highest impact risk, privacy breach, and trust loss are also the hardest to detect and occur when the system is already deployed, making proactive mitigation during early phases absolutely critical for project success. Here are the proposed risk mitigation strategies to effectively manage the risk in the MySejahtera project. Structured mitigation strategies should be applied based on software project management best practices. For data privacy and security, privacy by design principles must be embedded from the start. Data encryption, regular audits, and appointing a data protection officer help ensure compliance with data protection laws. To address scalability and performance risk, a cloud native infrastructure with auto-scaling should be used. Regular load testing and continuous performance monitoring are essential to maintain system responsive during peak usage. For vendor management, clear service level agreement and key performance indicators should be defined in all contracts. Change management should be handled through agile process. This includes maintaining clear change logs, using in app communication for updates, and coordinating changes through a advisory bot. To strengthen user trust and adoption, regular usability testing and feedback integrations are recommended. Support for multiple languages, accessibility features, and transparent communication have improved user experience and confidence. This strategy These strategies contribute to a proactive and well governed software project capable of handling both technical and stakeholder related challenges. There are several important lessons we can take from the MySejahtera case study. Risk must be identified and managed clearly. Transparency and accountability are essential, especially in public sector projects. Strong change management and user engagement can significantly reduce resistance and increase effectiveness. Lastly, risk management isn't a one time activity, it's a continuous process throughout the software lifecycle. In short, MySejahtera was a high impact project developed under pressure but with better risk planning and structured management practices, many of the challenges it faced could have been reduced or avoided. Thank you.